Hey guys and welcome. If you're releasing music through DistroKid, getting that little silver music note icon next to your name on YouTube is a massive deal. It merges your personal channel and it also generates a topic channel into one profile. I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your official artist channel in just a few clicks. So before we click anything inside DistroKid, YouTube has 3 strict rules you have to check off first or your application will get instantly rejected. So first you need a standard YouTube channel that represents you as a single artist or band. This cannot be a record label channel. Your channel name must match your artist's name exactly, right down to the capitalization and special characters. Second, you must have at least one public video uploaded manually to your personal channel. Just a heads up, YouTube Shorts do not count for this. Third, you need at least one official release distributed through DistroKid that is already live on YouTube Music. If you just submitted your first track today, wait a few days for that automated topic video to go live before you try this. Okay, and once those 3 settings are ready, grab your PC and log in into your DistroKid dashboard. Look at the top left corner, click on the Features menu, and click down to select Special Access. From the sub-menu, tap on YouTube Official Artist Channel. You'll see a page with a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select that specific artist name you want to verify. Then click the link button to authenticate. A Google login prompt will pop up. Make sure you sign in into the exact Google account that owns your artist's YouTube channel. Review permissions, confirm that you are linking the correct profile, and hit submit. And after that, the hardest part is just waiting. It takes a few days to all the way up to 6 weeks to process the request and grant you that music note badge. That's it, enjoy, and thank you for watching.